Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can request backup, or how we can backup everything here in Smartsheet. So you want to be in home, and there are multiple ways how you can do it. The first way is when you go click on it, and you can click actions, and you can export it to Microsoft Excel or PDF and press OK. And when I'm going to open it, I can simply see it. Or what you can do is simply click actions and export it to Excel or Google Sheets. It's like really up to you. And yeah, that's pretty much it how we do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See you.